This is going to be a repair video on this Savi's Workshop Lightsaber chassis. It's not a unique problem to run into if you take your chassis apart. So I guess gotta... Actually, is this still connected? Yeah, I can actually just remove the battery connection, put that off to the side for the moment, but I will. Okay. So the problem is that this was taken apart and the clip that holds the ribbon cable in place, usually a black piece of plastic that goes right there, has snapped off, and there's even a little piece of the plastic arm still in there. So I need to replace that plastic clip. Let's see if we can dig that out. So what I'm hoping to do here is to stab that black piece of plastic, sort of wedge it out. And I just broke the tip of the knife off in it. Brilliant. Alright, the little piece of plastic from the clip is out. Let me show you what I had to do to get it out. You can see on the right I've had to bend a little metal housing on the side there up a little bit to get it out, but that is still soldered to the bottom of the board. It's not an electrical connection, it's a mechanical connection, so it's not a big deal. But it's still connected, so that's good. It's now just a matter of bending that back in place and putting a new clip in there, and we should be good to go. So now I need a clip. So I have these that I purchased off of eBay, and I'll include a link in the description. These are 8-pin, 0.5 millimeter pitch top connectors. And now what I need to do is get that black plastic clip out, and I'm going to get it out the same way as I just dug that piece of plastic out, which is the little metal housings on the I don't know what you want to call them, clips, or this little metallic piece on the side. There we go, that just comes right off if you go from the back like so. There we go. For now, I should be able to extract the clip. Perfect. So now I just need to put that into this. If we look, we can see that there's like a divot there. That needs to be on the bottom of the, this is a top connector, meaning the connectors are on the top side. So that little flat piece there in the middle needs to be on the bottom side, so it needs to go in like that. Again, making sure it's oriented the right way around. These tweezers aren't giving me the kind of, oh, there we go. I think that might be lined up. Now, in theory, if I just push it in slowly, there we go. That's one side. There's the other side. The clip is in. Oops, nope, not all the way. There we go. Yep. We now have a new clip. Good. So now I'm just going to hook this back up and test out the lightsaber to make sure it works and that there's no other surprises, and then this is good to go. Okay, battery pack. Let's plug that in. Alright, crystal. Good sign. Put a switch on it. Good sign. And now a blade. Here we go. Yes. We are back in business. Yeah. We're good. So that is how you repair one of those little stupid plastic clips that are incredibly delicate and love to break anytime you even think about taking apart your Savi's Workshop lightsaber chassis.